myself, oh yes, it's gonna go. It's gonna go up. Oh yeah, go up. It's gonna make $100,000. Don't make this Forex mistake that I made that affected my psychology for many months. By the end of this video, you'll be glad you watched it to the end. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is specifically all about guiding you and helping you not to make the mistake I made. So I came across a video that affected my psychology for many months and I never realized that my psychology was messed up. It was so bad. Okay, so before I started trading, I watched a video of a South African guy. He's a Forex trader. He flipped $200 to over $4 million in one trade in one day. I was intrigued when I saw that. I thought to myself, is this how easy it is to make money in just a day? Oh my God, I'm gonna do it. I must break record. I can do it. I thought this to myself, not knowing that trading was all about having the skill, having experience, having the right mentorship. So I jumped into Forex with no mentorship, with no proper education, with no adequate skill. I thought to myself, if it was possible for that guy, it can be possible for me. I was trading gold. So I would take trades days after days, try to hold it. I didn't even understand what top-down analysis was. Believe me, I had no knowledge on Forex. I just saw that video of a trader, making millions and trading gold in one day. I thought to myself, yes, I can do it. And then I hopped on it. I tried to trade. I lost a lot of money. In a day, I would lose about $1,000, sometimes $2,000 in a day. I was trading real account. I didn't even know what prop firm account was. So I kept funding my account, tried trading. I would enter a trade, it'll go my way. I would keep holding. I'll be holding. I'll say to myself, oh yes, it's gonna go. It's gonna go up. Oh yeah, go up. I'm gonna make $100,000. I'm gonna be that first female Forex trader that began trading newly and made up to $100,000. I had all this in my thoughts. I wanted to break record by all means. I wanted to make a difference. I thought I could make a change. I did not know Forex trading is not a child's play. So therefore, month after month, I kept believing in myself that I was going to do it. I can do it. Yes, I went on to enroll for mentorship class for 1 month and I thought, okay, yeah, that's it. And then I kept trying to hold a trade. I kept losing a lot of money day by day, week after week, month after month. I enrolled again for another mentorship class thinking it was going to get better. I kept trying. I kept getting frustrated. I kept believing I can do it. It broke my psychology bit by bit that I began becoming frightened to enter a trade. Whenever I enter a trade, I always have this mindset of holding the trade for long. I mean, I watched a Forex trader enter a trade from morning and close the trade at midnight with over $4 million. Why can't I do it? If it was possible for that guy, I can do it. I mean, it can be possible for me too. So when I enter a trade, I will see small profit, leave the market. I wouldn't want to leave the market. I'll still be holding the trade. And then the trade will go small and then come down to my entry and kick me out. Sometimes on break even, sometimes on my SL. And then that loss messes with my psychology even more. It triggers me to want to revenge trade to recover my losses, to overtrade to recover my losses. And that's how I end up blowing account. I never knew my psychology was getting really affected. I never knew it was damaging my psychology. Yeah, that was actually the main reason why I had to enroll for the second mentorship class, which I paid for sometime in January. Hoping, okay, I could relearn. I mean, even after the second mentorship class and the third mentorship class, I still did not realize that my psychology was affected by just that one video I came across. I still did not know my psychology was affected, distorted, and damaged by that video. So after so many months, it now dawned on me that I've been trying to hold trade for long at the spot where I'm not even supposed to hold trade for long. Yes, I could enter a trade, I see profit, leave the market. I won't want to leave the market. I would keep holding when I'm not even a swing trader. I would want to keep holding. And then the next thing goes against me. And then the loss affects my psychology. And then it makes me feel like, oh, the market hates me, but it doesn't. I was just entering a long position at the wrong spot. I was tired of the losses, the money I was losing. So it didn't occur to me that this was a problem. I want to be like that guy. I want to make record like that guy. I want to break record like that guy. When it occurred to me that that was the problem all along, I had to stop immediately. One thing is to discover the problem. When you discover the problem, you'll definitely find solution, and that will be the end of the problem. It's a different thing if you don't even know what the problem is. So I discovered what the problem was, and I was able to prefer solution to it, and then change my routine of trading, change my pattern of trading, change my mindset about trading, and I don't dare to hold trade for too long. Once the market gives me a good profit, it gets my TP, I'm okay, I'm done, I'm out of the market. I don't try to hold trade for the entire day. I'm just okay with the profit I see in the market. And that was how I started becoming exceedingly profitable in the Forex market. So my advice to every Forex trader out there, Forex beginners precisely, stop comparing yourself to other Forex traders. Never compare your trading journey to someone else's highlight reel. What you see online is not always the full picture. Number two, focus on process, not profit. Build your strategy, practice discipline, and track your progress. The goal is consistency, not breaking records. Number three, protect your psychology. Your mindset is your biggest trading asset. Don't let social media trades or other traders' flashy wins dictate how you trade. Number four, small wins add up. Aim for steady, realistic growth instead of jackpot trade. Over time, consistency compounds more than luck. Number five, the last but not the least, have a trading plan. Know your entry, exit, and risk before placing a trade. Sticking to your plan helps you avoid impulsive record-breaking trade. I hope this video helped, and I hope you learned one or two things out of this video. I am glad to share my mistakes with you so you don't make the mistakes I made. If you're a beginner in Forex, you're looking for a community to belong, click on the link in my description box to join my Telegram community so you can learn more and structure your journey in Forex adequately and not make the mistakes many Forex beginners make, because I'm going to be guiding you through on how to become successful and profitable in the Forex market.